Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel A&D Interiors. This is Mohammad Zohaib, and in this video I have come up with another topic on interior designing. In the last video session I told you about the design brief. So in today's session I am going to tell you about the presentation boards. As I said earlier, we cannot start to work on any interior project without knowing the requirements and details of the client. That is the design brief. The next step is to make the presentation boards by working on brief given by the client. So let us study about the boards in details. Firstly, what is a presentation board? A presentation board refers to all boards used to present your work to a client. The different boards that will be referred throughout the course can be mood board or concept board or an inspiration board or a sample board. These may consist of sketches, samples, images or photographs and all method of conveying your ideas to your client. A presentation board has to reflect the client brief and source of inspiration through products that are to be included in the scheme. A presentation board should stick to the actual wherever possible. I mean to say that you should try maximum to give the exact sample picture of the product that you are going to provide. Many of you might be wondering what I mean by inspiration. So let me clarify this now. Inspiration is really important before you start designing. It means the source from where you have taken inspiration has an impact on the design. This source of inspiration can be anything like stones, weather, music, magazines, fashion, books, landscape, nature or architecture. It is completely your choice to decide from where you are taking any inspiration. Now let me tell you about how to create presentation board. So basically there are three ways: working by hand, using PowerPoint or using Photoshop. Coming to working by hand, boards produced by hand can offer an attractive presentation of your ideas. In order to achieve a professional finish, it is essential that images are cut completely straight. Using foam board adds more depth and interest to your board. Consider background colors and mounting papers, which can also enhance your work. Consider the subject you are presenting and try to reflect the style of your subject within your presentation. You can also make presentation board by using PowerPoint. Presenting digital presentation board have the advantage of being able to manipulate the composition easily. PowerPoint is a simple program that uses an effective way of presenting your research. The best thing is you are able to choose background colors and can also use an image for the background if you wish, and can overlay image or text on the top of this. This program allows you to insert images and text which can then be moved around and resized. You can create presentation boards on slides that can be set to A4 or A3 size. For those who have good command over their Photoshop skills, can use Photoshop editor to make presentation boards. Photoshop is a much more advanced program and will allow you to be highly creative and achieve a professional finish. This program was originally an image editing program which is still used extensively to improve the appearance of photographs. However, it has been developed extensively and is widely used design tool in numerous different fields. It will allow you to layer images and text and also apply a vast range of effects. When you are producing work in Photoshop, it is easy to get carried away with the huge number of effects available. Before you design, consider the subject you are presenting and how you will reflect this within your presentation. Consider the color, shapes, text and effect you may use to suit your content. That's all for today, and I hope this video session was useful for you. See you all in next video session with more interesting stuff. Make sure you like, comment and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to get the latest updates. The link is given in the below description box. Thank you.